Your brakes are making a strange noise, but what are they trying to tell you? A high-pitched squeak may be caused by moisture, dust, or a built-in warning that your brake pads are wearing thin. But a harsh grinding sound can mean metal is already cutting into metal, and every time you press the brake pedal, the damage may be getting worse. These two sounds can seem similar from inside the car, but they can represent very different levels of danger.
Here is how to tell them apart and what you should do next. Before identifying the noise, it helps to understand what happens when you press the brake pedal. In a disc brake system, the rotor spins with the wheel. When you apply the brakes, the caliper squeezes two brake pads against that rotor. Friction converts the vehicle's motion into heat, slowing the wheel and stopping the car. The brake pad material is designed to wear down gradually. The metal rotor should remain relatively smooth. Most unwanted brake noises begin when moisture, contamination, excessive heat, worn components, or bare metal interfere with this process.
Squeaking is usually a sharp, high-pitched sound. It may appear only when you first press the brake pedal, continue through the entire stop, or happen as you release the brakes.
A brief squeak does not always mean your brakes are about to fail. Certain pad materials naturally make more noise, especially when they are cold. But a squeak that becomes louder, happens during every stop, or continues for several days should not be ignored.
It may be your first warning that something needs attention.
One of the least serious causes of brake squeaking is moisture. After rain, snow, a car wash, or a humid night, a very thin layer of surface rust can form on the brake rotors. During your first few stops, the pads scrape away that layer. This can produce a short squeak or light scraping noise. If the noise disappears after 2 or 3 normal stops and the brakes feel completely normal, it was probably temporary surface contamination. But if the sound remains, becomes louder, or returns during every drive, another problem may be developing. Many brake pads include a small metal wear indicator. When the pad material becomes thin, this tab touches the rotor and produces a deliberate high-pitched squeal. Think of it as a mechanical alarm built into the brake pad. The car may still stop normally, but the sound is warning you that the pads are nearing the end of their useful life. Replacing them soon can prevent the metal backing plate from reaching the rotor and turning a relatively simple brake job into a much more expensive repair. Persistent squeaking can have several other causes. Brake dust or small particles may collect around the pads. Excessive heat can glaze the pad surface, making it smooth, shiny, and noisy. Worn anti-rattle clips, dry caliper contact points, or improperly installed brake hardware may also create vibration. Some inexpensive or high-performance brake pad compounds naturally squeal more than others. The sound alone cannot confirm which component is responsible. A proper inspection is the only reliable way to determine the cause. And never spray lubricant onto the brake pads or rotors. Contaminating a friction surface can seriously reduce braking performance. Grinding is different. Instead of a clean, high-pitched squeak, grinding usually sounds rough, deep, and metallic, like two heavy pieces of metal screaking together. You may also feel vibration through the brake pedal, steering wheel, or vehicle floor. Grinding during ordinary braking should be treated as urgent. It often means the early warning stage has already passed. The most serious common cause is a brake pad that has worn completely through its friction material. Now, instead of brake pad material touching the rotor, the metal backing plate is scraping directly against it. This reduces braking performance and generates extreme heat. Every stop can cut deeper grooves into the rotor. If driving continues, the damage may spread to the caliper and other brake components. Stopping distance can increase, and the vehicle may begin pulling to one side. At this stage, the car does not simply need new brake pads. It may also need rotors, hardware, or a damaged caliper, making the repair far more expensive. Grinding does not always mean the pad material is gone, but it still requires attention. A stone may become trapped between the rotor and its protective shield. A bent dust shield may rub against the spinning disc. A stuck caliper can keep one brake pad pressed against the rotor, creating heat and rapid wear even when you are not braking. Heavy rust can also produce a rough sound if a vehicle has been parked for an extended period. There is one important exception. During an emergency stop, the anti-lock braking system may create a rapid buzzing or grinding-like sensation while the pedal pulses. That can be normal ABS operation. But grinding during routine stops or grinding that continues as you drive is not normal. Here is the simplest way to remember the difference. Squeaking is generally a warning. Grinding is often evidence that damage is already happening. A temporary morning squeak that disappears after a few stops may be harmless moisture. A persistent squeak means the brakes should be inspected soon. A harsh metallic grind during normal braking means you should assume the vehicle is unsafe until a professional proves otherwise. Do not judge the condition of your brakes only by how well the car stopped once. A damaged braking system can deteriorate quickly.
If you hear an unexpected brake noise, stay calm and avoid sudden acceleration. Increase the distance between your vehicle and surrounding traffic. Test the brakes gently at low speed only if it is safe to do so, and move to a secure location.
If the pedal feels soft, the vehicle pulls strongly to one side, stopping distance increases, or you notice smoke, a burning smell, leaking fluid, or a brake warning light, stop driving. Turn on your hazard lights and arrange for the vehicle to be towed. If you hear persistent grinding, the safest response is also to stop driving and request an inspection. Driving a few more miles to save time could cause additional damage or leave you without dependable braking. Do not touch the wheel, caliper, or rotor immediately. An overheating brake assembly can cause severe burns. During an inspection, a qualified technician should check the thickness of every brake pad, not only the easiest one to see. The technician should also examine the rotors for grooves, cracks, heat damage, and uneven wear. Caliper movement, slide pins, mounting hardware, dust shields, brake hoses, fluid leaks, and wheel rotation should also be checked. This matters because uneven wear on one wheel may indicate a mechanical problem that new pads alone will not correct. Remember, a squeak is often your brakes asking for attention. A grind is your brakes demanding immediate action. Listen early, inspect the system, and never gamble with a noise that affects your ability to stop.
Your car often warns you before a small problem becomes a dangerous and expensive failure. Subscribe to Infinite Science for more clear explanations of the machines you depend on every day.
End screen, Infinite Science logo, subscribe button, and suggested next video. Brake pedal vibrations, what your car is telling you.